Hello everybody, Princess Jamie with Text Talking Shop, and today I'm bringing to you the Multimeter. There are several manufacturers, and while I like to say that Fluke is pretty much the industry standard and with multimeters, there's other options like Snap-on, Mac has one, but having a premium multimeter with several functions in the automotive industry is crucial. Like for instance, I have this Fluke 177, and it's got a bunch of different features here. To include, what I like about it is the milliamp feature. A lot of the lesser model multimeters prior to the 177 don't have this milliamp feature. I like it for testing like parasitic draw. And most of the multimeters, well, all the ones that I've seen, when checking amperage, has a fused connection between the leads themselves. Now the fused connection helps with so if you accidentally instead of doing your amp check in series, you accidentally do it in parallel, you blow the fuse, and this prevents from causing harm to the multimeter. And another thing about these, you got your ranges where you can change your units of measure, like from amps to milliamps. You can do continuity testing, which gives you a solid audible click. You can do your resistance. Millivolts, you got millivolts DC and AC. You can do frequency or alternating current for check as well. Frequency for voltage as well. And one of the cool features about this is it's also one of the entry-level electronics testing multimeters. So if you're doing like finite low voltage testing, low amperage testing, I do highly recommend this type of multimeter with the milliamp function. Anyway, this is Princess Jamie with Text Talking Shop. This is just a brief overview. Another thing you can do is do what's called like an auto hold to find out your max voltage or amperage that comes about. But yeah, this is the Fluke 177. I don't have all the time in the world to go through all the testing features, but it is great. It served its purpose and has not failed me, and I've been using this for several years. Thanks for watching.